finally, we're going to study some very useful expressions. Imagine you have a problem and you have a word on the tip of your tongue, but you cannot remember. And you're trying to think of a word that it's who works in a restaurant. This is what we call paraphrasing, when you cannot think of a word and you describe the word. So it's who works in a restaurant. To be able to paraphrase, we need a few expressions. From this list, which word could you put in this space? It's who works in the restaurant. It's somebody who works in a restaurant. And of course, the word is waiter. Again, you're in the same situation. You can't remember a word. It's on the tip of your tongue, and you need to paraphrase it. And you say, it's the who takes the food from the kitchen to the tables. And the word that you can use from here to put here, it's the person who takes the food from the kitchen to the tables. And again, the word that was on the tip of your tongue was waiter. You have bad memory. In the same situation again. Your definition is, it's a where you go when you want to buy something. The word from this list that you can put right here is, it's the place where you go when you want to buy something. And the word on the tip of your tongue was store or department store. Again, bad memory. It's a that you use to talk. It's a thing that you use to talk. And the word is cell phone. It's a of machine. Choose a word from here. It's a kind of machine. And the word on the tip of your tongue was, it's a washing machine, for example, or any other machine. It's the of fat. What word can we use here? It's the opposite of fat. And the word you wanted to remember was thin. It's thin, but it means thin and attractive. So we still don't have the word right. It's like thin, but it means thin and attractive. The word on the tip of your tongue is slim. It's to worried. It's similar to worried. And the word on the tip of your tongue is nervous, for example, or stressed, any other. It's you feel when you have a lot of things to do. Which of these words can you use to complete here? Yep, it's how you feel when you have a lot of things to do. And the word on the tip of your tongue is stressed. And finally, for you do this with the TV. And from here you can complete this example with, for example, you do this with the TV. And the word you were trying to think of was watch, for example. Thank you for listening until the end. Very soon, Units 2A and 2B. Bye-bye.